Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by locating archived messages so you can act quickly. Open Gmail and go straight to All Mail or type in Archive in the search box. This shows mail removed from inbox. Once done, scan subjects or use sender filters to narrow results because selecting the correct batch prevents mistakes. Make sure to toggle the left sidebar to show all mail if hidden. Then start selecting messages, either individual checkboxes or the top checkbox to select visible conversations. Now that you've identified archived items, select them efficiently. You can click checkboxes individually, Shift plus click to select a contiguous range, or use the top checkbox, then choose Select all conversations that match this search for bulk work. Once selected, click the Move to Inbox button to restore. This reverses the archive action and returns mail to inbox and relevant labels. If you prefer, use keyboard shortcuts like Y then I for faster workflow, making sure shortcuts are enabled in Settings. Finish by confirming the messages appear in your inbox and any labels you expect. This verifies restoration and prevents duplication. If a restored message doesn't show, refresh the page, clear cache, or rerun the in-archive search. Sometimes sync lags. If you still can't find mail, check trash or spam within 30 days in case it was removed, and repeat the selection steps if necessary. One key tip: enable conversation view consistency to avoid thinking messages are missing when they're threaded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.